Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal HH on the bench. I'm just going to show one little trick. So I just got done fixing this lid. It was not right. But see how it hops up with the button? I want it to pop up higher than that. So what we're going to do here is take our T-bender, come right in here to these springs. There's one right there, and there's one on the other side. And there are two sides to the spring. But all you need to do is take that spring, get your T-bender in here like that, and bend it like that. See that little bend right there? You can do the same thing with this one down here. Oops. Put your T-bender under there. Give it a tweak like that. And see how that raised that up? Do it to the side too. And just stick this under there. Give it a little tweak like that. The bottom one right there, you can't see it on camera, but it's happening. Let's see if I can get my, can't see in there. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. And then we close this. And now it pops open. How you like that? How you like them apples? Alright, that was it. Just a quick little handy dandy little trick to making this thing. It's almost a little too fast, isn't it? Oh, maybe if we put it in the middle here, it'll bounce a little better. Yeah. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.